Okay, students, let us read as I have told you. Lesson 9. We are off to see the wizard. Here, introductory part is there that Dorothy and her dog Toto are blown away by a cyclone and find themselves in the land of Oz. They soon learn that only the Wizard of Oz can help them return home. Dorothy makes a few interesting friends on the way to the land of Oz. Read on to find out about her new friends. Okay, this is the introductory part, and the characters are given here. Who are the characters? Dorothy, a young girl from Kansas in US. Toto, Dorothy's pet dog. Scarecrow, Tin Man, Lion. Characters befriended by Dorothy means Dorothy makes friend with them on his way to that city. Later we'll get it, Emerald, that city. Okay, scene 1, meeting Scarecrow means Dorothy is meeting Scarecrow in the scene 1. In a field next to the yellow brick road, Dorothy sees a scarecrow on a pole to keep the birds from the ripe corn. Suddenly, Scarecrow nods at Dorothy. Startled, she walks up to Scarecrow. Toto runs around the poles barking. Yes, actually, scarecrows means what? You know. In the field, you can see when we keep mainly the farmers scatter the seeds. The birds come to pick up that what is that seeds away. The birds come and eat the seeds all. That's why to frighten the birds we make such a what is figure with some straw, and also keep like this cap, shirts, pant with that stick and that straw, like a man we make it and keep it so that the birds will think that it is a man standing there. That figure is called scarecrow. Understood? Yes or no? Toto means that Dorothy got startled. Why? That all of a sudden that scarecrow started moving. Understood? Yes or no? Let's see. Scarecrow is talking with Dorothy. Scarecrow all of a sudden talk to Dorothy. Good day to you. Yes, Scarecrow is wishing, greeting to whom? Dorothy. That good day to you. Dorothy, amazed. Amazed means surprised. Dorothy was surprised. Did you just speak to me? You speak to me only. Okay. Dorothy is surprised to see that Scarecrow is talking to him. He does not know also anything. Scarecrow, why? Yes, I did. How do you do? How do you do means how are you? Yes, I am talking to you. I am speaking to you. Now Dorothy, slyly means in a very sly manner means shameless. What is we can say same means in a shameful way like that, feeling shame, ashamed, slyly. I am well, thank you. How do you do? I am well, and how are you? Scarecrow is saying, groans in pain. He's groaning in pain. Groan means that sound we make when we feel pain, and that cry, like that sound we make in pain when we are shocked or like that. Then only somebody hit you, then you make some sounds of pain. That is also groaning. Scarecrow groans in pain. I am very uncomfortable. I have been stuck on this pole for a while. I got stuck on this pole for a while. Dorothy, let me help you down. Let me go and help you to put you down from there. She lifts Scarecrow off the pole and sets him on the ground. Yes, he takes out Scarecrow from the pole. He got stuck in the pole and took out the Scarecrow from the pole and stuck him on the ground. Scarecrow scratches. Oh, I feel so much better already. Thank you. shakes Dorothy's hands. Now the scarecrow shakes his hand with Dorothy. Okay, Dorothy. I am Dorothy Gale from Kansas. Kansas is the name of a place of US. US, you have got it. Scarecrow. I am Scarecrow from Cornfield. And who is this little fellow? Pointing at Toto, who is growling. Toto was growling that time. Then he mentioned Toto and told, who is that little fellow? Dorothy to Toto. Sus. Toto means we very often made such a that hissing like sound to make somebody stop from speaking or to be silent. Very often we do that type of sound. Yes or no? That is sus, Toto. To Scarecrow, don't mind him. Yes, don't mind. He is growling, so don't mind for him. Dorothy is telling. Toto and I are off to see the wizard in the Emerald City. Where will you go now? Yes, where will you go? Dorothy is asking to Scarecrow that we are going to meet that wizard in the Emerald. Wizard means actually the character witch, W-I-T-C-H, witch, that female ghost-like figure, and male is called wizard. Understood? Yes or no? Up to here, I have read it. Now, have you? Okay, let me finish this portion also. This scene one. Then Scarecrow looks at his feet sadly. Oh, very sadly, he looks at his feet. Oh, I don't know. I am just a scarecrow. You see, I am stuffed with straw. I don't even have a brain. Yes, straw means, that dry paddy stalks, dry paddy plants are called straw. Yes, I am stuffed with that one. He's made of that straw, he's telling, and I don't have any brain. To Dorothy, he's telling, who is this wizard?